Hi, I've developed a chatbot for one of my clients and they paid me $1,000 for it. So I'll be sharing the same code with you and how you can do this within 3 steps.
Okay, what you need to do first is I'll be sharing this link with you as well. You need to make an API, copy it, because you just need to click on the create new secret API key and then paste it here. It's already here. And then first is the packages, and then second one is the importing all the libraries, which is already done. And then we are creating a database, and that database is based on vector stores. So all this text will be stored in a vectors form. And then third step is to chat with this. The current CEO is Murati, and 5 years he's working on it.
Okay, this is how the system is working. So you can use the same code which is already in the description, use it and then give me the feedback how it worked for you.